Hi guys, once again you are welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Today I will teach you how to make COVID-19 safety manual that will be used in manufacturing industries. Friends, after lockdown when company will be reopened, they have to primarily focused on prevention of employees from COVID-19 because this is uncurable worldwide disease. Customer of supplier companies will recommend to make a safety manual against COVID-19 disease. This manual will be having safety guidelines followed by supplier companies. So friend, if you working in a company as a MR or safety manager, then you must watch this video for making COVID-19 safety manual. If you working as a employee, supervisor, engineer, inspector or operator, then you also must aware about industrial prevention of COVID-19. So please we continue this video till end. Before starting this video, look at glance covered topics. How to make safety manual of COVID-19. First one, what is COVID-19? Safety team, how to make safety team. COVID-19 safety policy, what is the safety policy of COVID-19 safety. And 4, COVID-19 safety objectives. 5th, protection of COVID-19. And 6th, emergency preparedness, how. 7th one is monitoring measurements. Friends, as usual, this is my training module template. If any guys having training from our training center, all training will be provided theoretically as well as practical by using Excel sheet, PowerPoint, Word. If any guys having training from our training center, please call the number given in slide. Let's move how to make safety manual for COVID-19. First you have to make company profile. For company profile, you have to cover scope of company, major customer of company, and contact detail of your organization. For example, this is the company profile, and here major customers. This is the complete contact detail of organization. During making of safety committee, you have to consider all level of employees like HOD, executive, senior engineer, operator from different department. This safety committee will play vital role in prevention of COVID-19. They also have the knowledge of first aid activities. This is the safety committee circular. The selected members of COVID-19 first aid as under. Here serial number, name of members, designation, department. Then next you have to explain what is COVID-19 and how it spreads. Coronavirus disease 2019 is defined as illness caused by a novel coronavirus, now called severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, formerly known as COVID-19, which was first identified amid an outbreak of respiratory illness cases in Wuhan city, China. Then you have to mention how it spreads. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floors or surfaces. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of someone who has COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose or mouth. Friends, this is the definition of COVID-19 and how to spread the COVID-19. Then you have to aware your team or your employees in the organization during training session. Next one, we have to make COVID-19 policy. ABC Private Limited Top management has defined COVID-19 coronavirus prevention policy, which becomes the driver for implementing and improving the environment, health and safety management system. The policy is made based on the disease of COVID-19 and impact of ABC private limited activities, product and services. Finally, we have make COVID-19 policy. For example, ABC Private Limited is committed to comply with applicable law and regulations and preventions of COVID-19 by effective implementation of environmental health and safety management system. This we should do by COVID-19 awareness to our all employees and supplier and continual improvements in our environmental health and safety performance. Here the signature of managing director of organization. So friends, this is the COVID-19 safety policy. Next, you have to mention objective, targets and programs against COVID-19 in safety manual. COVID-19 objectives and targets are stabilized through environmental review and significant impact study. It is ensured that all the objectives identified are consistent with the environmental health and safety policy. While stabilizing and reviewing objective of the following points are considered significant aspect impacts: communication in the COVID-19 policy, legal and other requirements, technological options, financial options, operational options, business requirements, views of internal parties. These are the objectives to be set against COVID-19 in safety manual. Next, you have to mention safety guidelines for protect yourself and others from getting sick in your organization. To protect yourself and others against COVID-19, clean your hands frequently and thoroughly. Use alcohol-based hand sanitizer or wash your hands with soap and water. If you use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer, make sure you use and store it carefully. Apply a coin-sized amount on your hands. There is no need to use a larger amount of the product. Avoid touching your eyes, mouth and nose immediately after using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer, as it can use irritation. Next, hand sanitizers recommended to protect against COVID-19 are alcohol-based and therefore and be flammable. Do not use before handling fire or cooking. Under no circumstances drink or let children swallow an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. It can be poisonous. Last one, remember that washing your hands with soap and water is also effective against COVID-19. So friends, these are the safety guidelines have to mention in safety manual of COVID-19 for protecting the employees themselves. This is the formats for making emergency preparedness. Here, preparedness activities, action, response, responsibility. First, availability of thermometer for checking body temperature. Ensure the availability of first aid boxes with adequate content at pertinent sites. Next, conduct mock drill at an frequency of twice in a year, or you can increase the frequency for mock drill. Next, liaison with nearby hospital. Next, evacuation of factory. Then assess any casualties and provide first aid if required. Next, take the affected person to the nearest hospital if required. This is the responsibility of HR. Mitigation of COVID-19 issues arising from handling of emergency situation. This is the function of CFT or safety committee. Safety committee will have to take action to mitigate the issues related to COVID-19 in organization. You have to mention monitoring and measurement novel coronavirus COVID-19. Every department shall identify the key characteristic of its operation and activities. Next, the key characteristics shall be addressed in operation control instructions. Next, key characteristics shall be monitored and recorded to track the performance. Next, the organization shall establish maintain procedure to monitor and measure health performance. These procedures shall provide for both qualitative quantitative measures as per needs of the organization, monitoring the organization COVID-19 objectives, proactive measures of performance that monitor compliance with the COVID-19 management program, operational criteria, legislation and regulatory requirements. So this is the way of monitoring and measurement COVID-19 disease. So friends, today here I explained how to make safety manual for COVID-19 in manufacturing organization. I hope all guys understood. If having any clarification, you can call me. The number given in slide. Thank you.